your mouse over an app.
Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a horror game girl style makeup. Here's some inspiration pictures. I decided to film this last minute. I wasn't even going to record me doing this. I was just going to be like playing in my makeup, but I decided to record it. I'll switch to my camera later on. Oh, do you like my thin brows? They're like cousins, but I will come back once it is time for me to start doing stuff that pertains to this makeup look. Okay guys, now we're on the big camera. I did one eye on my TikTok. Visit my TikTok because my TikTok version might be in better detail than this one. Who knows? Visit my TikTok in the description. But yeah, we did this eye on there and I really like how it looks right now. So now I'm gonna do this one with y'all. I wanted like a little bit of glitter, silver glitter, so I'm gonna use the Pixie by Petra glitter, I think in the shade Bare Brilliance. I'm taking a lot on my hand and I'm just gonna pat it onto my face. Now it's time for the contour. We have to do a very specific type of contour for this type of makeup. I'm gonna contour like normal, but then we're gonna like make it come out right here, and then we're gonna highlight like right in here, I think. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of my grayish color that I used on my eye. I'm gonna kind of take that and kind of try to highlight just very lightly right here. Yo, this looks like insane. So scary, you guys. I don't know. It's just, I've never done makeup like this. You know, it's usually just regular contour no matter what look I do. It's pretty nerve-wracking for me. I haven't even set my face. That's also a little odd. Okay, so I'm gonna take a white color and we're gonna go like right in here. I feel like this looks like a muddy hot mess. I'm gonna do the rest of my contour the same, but I'm gonna put a little bit of gray in there, and then I'll come back once it's time for me to put on mascara. Okay guys, since we're gonna do this like horror girl game aesthetic, you know, I want for my highlighter to be like very icy, very cold, you know, not much of any color. So we're gonna be using this palette right here, and we're gonna use this shade because I don't know if y'all can get a good look at that, but it's like it has like very icy cold undertones. So we're gonna take a bit of that. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, that's perfect. And then we're just gonna go and we're gonna put this literally everywhere. I'm also gonna put some up here. I feel like most other people might not exactly put their highlighter up here, but I'm going to. I'm doing it kind of heavy too, like I'm not really trying to be very light-handed with it, just so that it can have a little bit more depth, like the look can. Because one thing about these type of looks is that you need to highlight and contour to the lords. Okay, now I'm gonna put some on my lip, and then I want some on my cheek. I don't know, I just feel like this look needs to be really matte, so I'm just gonna do this. I do want to add glitter. I'm fighting the urge. You want to know what I didn't do? Blush. Lord Jesus. Now we're gonna put on blush. I actually should have done blush first, but I didn't. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this blush right here. This is the same Semmul single blusher. This one is in the shade Bay Pink. I got this from Yesstyle. If you guys want my code, it's right here. Use it on your checkout and you can get some money off. But yeah, here's the pink. It's super duper pale, like really, really pale. And I'm not really able to use it that much because it's so pale. I mean, y'all, it's so pale. I can't use that regularly. It kind of has a little fragrance. What? It's a good blush, but it's not good for people who have skin like me. Now I'm gonna use this middle blush. Very cute and pink. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some of that. Very light blush, you guys. I'm not really trying to do too much. I'm going with the darker shade too, just a little bit. That other shade was not enough. That's it for blush for this look. And now I need to do some mascara. So today I'm gonna use this Heroine Make Long Up Mascara Super Waterproof. This stuff is super waterproof, just like the name says. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put this on. I think we're gonna do no lashes today, but let's put on our mascara. Okay guys, I think I'll kind of get the gist of what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to abandon you guys. I'm gonna finish my mascara and I'll come back when it's time for me to do my lippy. So I'm basically done with the whole entire makeup look. All I really need to add is just a lippy. So first I'm just going to use this. Okay, and then I'm gonna line my lips. Very lightly, honestly. Now I'm gonna take this UNLEASHIA lip tint. I also got this from Yesstyle. I'll leave that link down below in my description. Use my code if you guys would like some money off. But yeah, and this is in the shade number 4. Now that's cute, but it's a little tiny bit too alive. So we're gonna take a tiny bit of this. Now I just took this shade. This is number 2. Now this is really cute. I like it, but it's too alive. So now I'm gonna take this baby pink lip gloss and we're just gonna go over my lip. Kind of nullify it, just mute it a little bit. There's the makeup. I will see you guys once my hair is out, once everything is situated. Y'all, I ate this look up. I did so good at this. The end result was perfect. Like, I'm literally in love. Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching me do this makeup, because I definitely enjoyed it, as the ending look is literally awesome. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Follow all my different social medias down below. Use my Yesstyle code to get some extra money off. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. See y'all.
Why can't I get off now?